This was part of the final speech that Sharaf Salmarwat, a key lawyer in Imran Khan's legal team, delivered before he was abducted outside the Lahore High Court today.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोई हमें अगवा करके मार सकता है। इस धरती की खातिर, इस वतन की खातिर, इस आईन की खातिर ये कुर्बानी कोई बहुत बड़ी नहीं है।
Marwat has been facing threats and harassment for months, particularly after Imran Khan was arbitrarily arrested in August. Over last week, as Marwat was speaking at various workers' conventions across KPK, police forces set up numerous barriers and tried to abduct him, forcing him to go into hiding between the conventions for his safety. Today, police managed to detain him despite Marwat having bail in all the cases launched against him. The abduction of Sharaf Salmarwat and the ongoing arbitrary detention of Imran Khan and thousands of his supporters is absolutely unacceptable. These are all efforts by the fascist Pakistani regime to suppress Imran Khan and PTI in the lead up to elections next year. It is deplorable that the most popular political leader in the country and his party are being targeted through these fascist attacks, while other parties are running their election campaigns freely despite their leaders being convicted criminals. We strongly condemn Sharaf Salmarwat's arrest and demand his immediate release, along with all other arbitrarily arrested individuals in the country. We also demand that the fascism being used by the corrupt leaders of Pakistan comes to an end, that they respect the democratic processes in the country and allow all parties to prepare for elections in a free, fair, and safe environment.